Bright-eyed, bushy-tailed.
It's beautiful out. It's chilly, but that's good to work.
What's the temperature today?
-1 so far.
-1 Celsius?
Yeah.
Okay.
But it'll get warmer.
Well,
Take off the layers.
get to work.
Yeah.
You get that's how you get warm. You get to work.
Yeah.
So this morning, yesterday we filled these crates. These crates belong to a customer of ours. He brings his own crates. We stack them in. Yeah, just like that. So we charge by the customers like this. We charge by the cubic foot.
He brings 2 crates. He drops them off. We fill them. We let him know they're ready. Comes, picks them up, drops 2 more crates. I don't know how many times. But he drives a minivan.
Yeah.
And he has a hard, he can't get up the hill, so he gets about...
The last time he was here, what happened?
He got 3/4 of the way up. He backed all the way down.
Backed way down there.
Took a run at it.
Took another run at it.
He didn't get any farther.
No.
So he went and took the skid steer and the forks and pushed him up the hill.
Pretty much, yeah.
So
It's the only way. So,
next time he said he was going to just stop at the top and you're going to bring them up to him.
Yeah, we'll do that. So, yeah, so we charge about a cubic foot, and I'll put a tape measure to it, find out how many cubic feet are in there, and then tell him how much it is, and he'll come get them. So yeah, he's got a couple more that needs filled.
Does he have more?
Yeah, a couple more, not many more. He's almost done for the year. All right, time to get at her. Is it lunchtime?
It is. Definitely. Break time. Hangry.
And it shows.
It doesn't?
Yeah.
It's good. Then you know, and I don't have to say. You say, oh, it must be lunchtime.
Slippery little buggers when the bark is off of them.
Say that again?
I said they're slippery little buggers when the bark
Oh,
is off
good
of
Lord.
it.
Yeah. I mean, it makes a mess that we gotta clean here, but they will dry quicker.
That's bark from half a cord. Good so far. Lunchtime.